Hey everybody, Justin Cener here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz in minutes with ProProfs Quiz Maker. We'll jump right into it. This is the easiest way and the most powerful way to create quizzes. And many businesses, educators, HR teams, course creators, and more, they still spend tons and tons of hours manually creating quizzes, creating onboarding assessments, doing hiring tests, doing compliance certifications, and more. Right? It's a very, very time-consuming thing, and not only does it waste time, but keeping certifications up to date, grading quizzes, preventing cheating, tracking results, it can quickly become super overwhelming, take up a ton of your time. And today, I'm going to show you ProProfs. It's an AI-powered platform. Literally, AI is totally integrated. You could just ask the AI to create a quiz. It could generate professional quizzes in minutes. There's no easier way to do it than this. You could automate grading and certifications. You could improve security. And most of all, help organizations train your employees faster while reducing manual work significantly. And there are definitely some pain points that you might run into when it comes time to actually create these quizzes and these certifications and these onboardings. And when you do it manually, it takes way, way, way too long. Right? It doesn't matter if you're a trainer or a coach or an educator or the HR team, right? You're wasting tons of hours writing questions, formatting assessments, building these tests from scratch. You just don't need to do that anymore. I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. It's also difficult to ensure that employees actually complete what's required. You need to track certifications. You need to send reminders. You need to manage recurring compliance training to make sure that people stay up to date. And, this can introduce more errors in this process. You have online assessments that are vulnerable to cheating. This is a huge problem. Without proctoring, things like tab switch prevention, randomized questions, and secure testing features, it's pretty much impossible to trust assessment results. And last but not least, most organizations, they don't have clear visibility into learner performance because basic quiz tools, they don't have the detailed analytics that you truly need. Because with that analytics, you could understand and identify knowledge gaps, you could measure progress, and you could improve training effectiveness significantly. And if you want to have all those pain points solved, and if you want to create quizzes the easiest way possible, you need to use ProProfs Quiz Maker. Highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. It's fully integrated with AI. You could literally just ask the AI to create a quiz for you. You see the link below this video. We'll go over the shoulder right over here. You see proprofs.com/quiz school. Link below this video, and literally you'll be able to have the ProProfs AI build you a quiz. Literally, you just need to type in the chat and it will generate a quiz for you. It makes writing, grading, reports delightfully easy. There's no easier way to create quizzes, and you see that it is the world's #1 quiz maker, over 100,000 quizzes, 50 million plus quiz takers, some of the biggest brands in the world using this tool, and really it's just an all-in-one tool. It writes, it grades, it delivers insights. You got the quiz builder, the quiz assistant, all integrated with AI. So you could literally just share your topic with the AI, and then the AI does the rest. It builds the entire quiz for you. You don't need question banks. You don't need blank pages. You just simply tell AI your quiz topic, and it's going to jump right in, generate a complete, ready-to-publish quiz with questions, options, correct answers, everything in seconds. I mean, it's super, super easy, and tons of people and companies are using ProProfs because it is by far the easiest way and the most powerful way to make a quiz. And you could pick from 100,000 plus templates. You can create from scratch. You could add questions using the ProProfs AI or from the library, and you could automate things like scoring, grading, security. Of course, you could add your own branding, and you'll have full ability to share via a link or via embedding or a classroom, right? You have all the different options right inside here. Most importantly, all of the different types of quizzes you could ever create. Right, we'll have all of these types of quizzes: scored quiz, personality quizzes, skill assessments, business quiz templates, education quiz templates. There's just tons and tons of templates allow you to get in there ASAP, and again, also fully integrated with AI. And there's 20 plus different types of questions you could add to your online quiz. Things like multiple choice, video response, check boxes, right? Read and answer, watch, listen, and answer, drop down, type in, hotspot. I mean, tons of different options to make a very engaging quiz here that's going to keep these users activated and make sure that they're actually following through with all of the training, whether it's employee training or secure exams or compliance assessments. You could do it all with this quiz maker. And again, you see the link directly below this video. Couldn't be any easier with the AI integrated. So we're going to jump into my account. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. All you need to do, again, click the link directly below this video, jump right in over here where it says Get Started Free. You'll be able to follow along step by step. I'm inside of my Quiz Maker account, and I'm going to jump right into it and show you exactly how this works. We'll come over and click Create a Quiz, and you're going to see that we get brought right over into the chat box. This is really, really important because there's really the easiest way to get started is to just start chatting with the Quiz Maker AI. You can type in any type of quiz idea you have. It says type of quiz idea like math quiz or history quiz or employee satisfaction quiz. I'm going to put in here something like create a quiz to test an applicant's Facebook marketing skills, right? So maybe I'm trying to figure out if someone is good at Facebook marketing. I'm going to run a quiz on them. I want to see what their skill set is currently. Go over here and literally just click Generate Quiz. It's that easy. The AI is now kind of taking an understanding to what our prompt was, gathering content, creating questions, and finalizing the quiz. I haven't done anything else other than just enter in a couple of words into the ProProfs Quiz Maker AI chat. And just like that, I have a full quiz, a Facebook marketing skills assessment created instantly, immediately for me right here. And we can take a look at all the different questions that are over here. See what is the primary purpose of Facebook Business Manager? What Facebook ad objective would you choose if your goal is to drive traffic? What does CPM stand for, right? These are things, and you might be looking at this not knowing anything about it. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is just put in to QuizMaker what you want to create a quiz on. It's really, really powerful. And you see, we could have even taking a look at the answers, right? See over here, we have different type of multiple choice answers. The selected one is the correct one over here, and really, really powerful over here when it comes to creating this in just a couple seconds. And of course, we could add our own questions as well. I'll come up over here and you see literally over 100,000 plus questions in terms of what we can go ahead and put in here. We could even generate with AI over here, and we could suggest 5 more questions. We could add a specific topic of a question. We could edit a question. We could have it fix any spelling or grammar issues that we might have found, right? Literally that easy. I'm going to come over and close this, and I'm going to go and pick in an essay response because I want them to actually come over here and put in an essay, right? You see over here, describe in 200 words, most influential person. I'm going to select this multiple line one. We'll be able to edit the question in a second. I'll click add, and it's going to add it right over here. This is going to be the part where I give in my question. So I will say in essay form, describe how you've used Facebook marketing for your business in the past. Okay, and they'll be able to enter that in. No character limit. We have that 5-box set over here, and that looks good to go. So we'll have that in here, and this will be good. We could even edit it with AI, but I like how this looks over here, and we're good to save it. That's going to be our 7th question over here, and we could even add more. Let's go ahead and add another question, and we could do hotspot, we could do matching, type in, drag and drop. They could even have an upload audio video or record audio video, right? Maybe we want to have a video response. This is so super powerful. We could have them record a video. So we'll say record a 30-second introduction telling us about your history. Okay, we put that in there, and we have that set up as another question. So you have full control over everything, and you have a lot more than just kind of basic questions. You could have essays, of course. You could have things like uploads and videos and audio responses. So a lot of different ways to customize your quiz. If you come over here into the results section, we could have pass or fail, letter grading, good or excellent. You could even customize how the results will be shown. We have some popular settings over here in terms of assign total points to the quiz, shuffle or do not shuffle questions, I like shuffling the questions, especially if you're giving this out to a lot of people in the same group. Come over here and have questions per page, one or all. Really up to you in terms of how you want these to be displayed. And there's even different themes that you could set up in terms of the look and feel. Right? Maybe I want to go with press craft or sunset beige or misty morning or gray. I like how gray looks over here. I'm going to go with that. You could even customize your own theme. Maybe you want a custom color like this. You can go ahead and do that. I'm going to stick with gray over here. And we've got our little settings over here now for our Facebook marketing skills assessment ready to go. So we're creating, we've got overall settings for our quiz. Now you see our scoring, our questions, right? These were all kind of presented earlier. We could have mandatory questions. So we can make some required. For example, I'll make the first two required. We could have those there. That's now saved. We could have a completion certificate. Right, and this is really cool. We could edit our completion certificate. And we could have different templates over here. You could use this one or this one. It's going to say their name, their score, the date, and of course our quiz title. I'm going to go with this one because I think it looks really professional. You could even customize it further. You have full control over how things look and feel in Quiz Maker. So I'll go with this in terms of clicking done for that. It's going to update with my new certificate of excellence that's going to get shown. Quiz completion, we could even redirect them to a URL. This is really powerful if we wanted to send them to maybe something like a sales page or something where they could schedule a call, right? Or they could just go to the completion page. Again, we have our pass fail over here, and we could set different leverages over here, or thresholds, I should say. We'll go over to 56, and we have those settings ready to go. You see there are a bunch of, we'll want to save this up here, a bunch of different settings as well that we'll be able to go through, like security. How can people access it? Maybe you want them to access it with a password as well. You could set the password right there. Got different notification settings as well over here, like emails that go out when people take the quiz to completion. You could have market and sell. We could sell this quiz as well in terms of having a price. You could have different themes. We have our gray theme here, but a lot of different ways for you to customize it. And you can get really, really unique with how this looks. So each one of your different quizzes could have a totally different look. We have all the integrations that you could ever want, right? Maybe MailChimp or Salesforce or Campaign Monitor or Google Sheets, right? One click we'll be able to integrate with those. You also have your social sharing, which is really powerful. We could have social sharing, one-click sharing onto Facebook, onto Twitter or X, email. They could even embed it onto their site. And there are some advanced settings here as well for you to take a look through, like quiz availability, locking the quiz, some other things as well, like API enabling. But for the most part, you'll just deal with your typical general. You can come over here and now send this, right? You could literally send directly, and you could put in the emails right over here, send this marketing assessment out. I'll go ahead and send it to myself, but you could also share it just by copying and pasting the code or sharing it on your socials. You could even embed it onto your website, or if you have a WordPress site, you could directly embed it with the WordPress plugin here for ProProfs. There's a print option, a QR code option. I'll email it to myself, and I'll show you how this looks. Here's that email that I just customized and sent out. We go over here and click Start Quiz, and we literally go right into our Facebook Marketing Skills Assessment. You see the 8 questions that I created. Literally that easy, and it's, you could share it through email. You could share it through social. Couldn't be simpler, and it's all built with the powerful AI that's built into Quiz Maker. So that was ProProfs Quiz Maker, the easiest way to go ahead and create quizzes. It's also super, super powerful with that AI integration. It's highly recommended. Make sure you jump right in. You see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to create those quizzes with AI ASAP. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally, but please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this, and most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.